Hello everyone, we are Team Feature Fabricator and our project for Smart India Hackathon 2025 is titled Ocean IQ, an AI driven unified data platform for oceanographic fisheries and molecular biodiversity insight. Our idea addresses the major challenge of scattered and organized marine data. Currently, ocean, fisheries, and biodiversity datasets are stored in separate systems, making it difficult to get unified insight. Our solution, Ocean IQ, brings all this data together into one smart platform powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. It automatically collects, standardizes, and analyzes marine data in real time. The platform will help researchers, policymakers make accurate and timely decisions promoting sustainable fisheries, marine protection, and India's blue economy growth. Our proposed solution is Ocean IQ, an intelligent cloud-based platform that unifies multiple types of marine data, including oceanographic, fisheries, and molecular biodiversity datasets. It uses automated pipelines to collect both structured and unstructured data from various sources. Once collected, data is cleaned, standardized, and tagged according to International Marine Data Standard. Next, AI and ML algorithms analyze patterns, identify species, and predict changes in biodiversity and ocean health. Finally, the platform visualizes the processed information through interactive real-time dashboard, which include modules for ortholith, safe analysis, taxonomy studies, and eDNA exploration. Ocean IQ aims to simplify complex marine datasets into easy to understand, actionable insight, supporting both research and sustainable development. The uniqueness of Ocean IQ lies in its ability to break data combining heterogeneous marine datasets that were previously isolated. Unlike existing systems that focus on a single domain, our platform integrates data from multiple sources into a unified structure. By doing so, it enables real-time data correlation, biodiversity tracking, and ocean trade forecasting using AI and ML models. Its scalability allows smooth integration with national and international marine research platforms. Moreover, it supports decision-making for sustainable fisheries and marine conservation by offering data-driven insight rather than manual analysis. In short, Ocean IQ is a first of its kind AI-powered unified marine intelligence system that bridges the gap between data science and policy, making marine research faster, accurate, and globally compatible.
So let's start the solution part. As my friend is also previously covered the introduction part, let's see the product. So it is a platform, Ocean IQ. Platform features unified data integration, AI-powered analytics, real-time visualization, molecular biodiversity, this is the DNA analysis properly. And this is the about section of the let's get start. Log in with the demo credential here. So this is the platform. Here is also a about section kind of unified data, automate AI powered analytics. The main section otolith analysis, taxonomy management, and molecular data processing. Here are the brief description of the features. Here the visualization features, interactive chart, maps, custom dashboard, correlation analysis. This is the kind of good feature. So let's start with the first dashboard section. Here when we click the dashboard, it automatically fetches from the backend. Here four charts are there: pH level, temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen. Here data of total species, observation records, and data source. We are actually fetching data from other sources, so this is the number. And currently we have two users, a test user and another user. Then next is a biodiversity analysis. Here is a section where biodiversity analysis is done. Let me change the interval and date last year and apply. This is going to fetch data from the backend. Okay. Next is correlation tool. So here let me drop a CSV file. Here a water quality sheet is there. Let me open it. Automatically detect the numerical columns in that sheet. Let me select all, then analyze. It will correlate different charts like scatter plot, correlation matrix, box plot, bubble chart. Here we can define the values like solid and hardness. There is changes. The correlation matrix also that. Next is box plot. Here the values are. Then bubble chart. Here the bubble chart. Here they also feature to export the data. Export as CSV JSON. We can export the data. Then the next is 3D ocean depth visualization. Here the depth of the ocean is visualized. We can visualize in a 3D space where we can rotate, zoom, pan. It is the ocean depth visualization with the marine life temperature depth. We can turn on the temperature. You can use the wireframe and then the temperature can be viewed. Here the bubbles are representing the marine life. We can toggle that to visualize that. Then the ecosystem health. The ecosystem health show the health score of the system. Now then a comparative analysis, regional compare time. Okay. So here the comparison for a period quarter, and this is quarter 3. Then species, you can compare two species also. So this, then next is AI analysis. We will see later that. Then next feature is map feature. We can show the species in the map. Like let me search species. It also has that species in the itself in here. So let's click and then search. It will take some time and search in the map. Then next is environmental layer. This is showing the patterns, wave data, ocean currents, and all in the map. Like when we turn on, that show in the map. It is facing from the backend. So let's I don't know why. The next feature is species image. We can search any species. Let's do one thing. Take one species from the map itself and search. uh, let's search here in point V. Let me search here. See the data is fetched. Let me click here. It will get the details of that species. It not from here. Let try different species. In point B, let me search again. I don't know, maybe something. So let me show that. Here I can search sunfish, which fetch the data of that species or any kind that related to that. We can click here and see the image. Also we can click on that so that it will redirect for a reference. Here we can also do our research and get the references. And then the next feature is integrated map. This is same as the environmental layer, kind of environmental layer. This is biodiversity heat map actually. Let's wait. It will fetch the data. Okay, the data I don't. And then let's go to the next step, that is module step. First is auto leak analysis. Let's upload an image. Here is the image. Let give it a name and run a location. Click upload and it will upload to the then view. Then we can analyze that. See, it can analyze and give the result. Species identification, and then metrics, morphometrics. We can export that or export here. Export that data. Then statistics. we can see all statistics here. Then next is taxonomy management. Here we can identify the let me upload image. See upload image. Here it can identify the taxonomy, and we can also export in a PDF. See it, then next is DNA processing. Here we can upload any sequence, and then we can analyze. Then now AI assistant. Here is 3 sections: correlation, period, prediction, then AI chat. First, correlation. We can correlate if there is temperature versus abundance, salinity and diversity, and also pH and abundance. Here is a scatter plot that. Then next is prediction. We can predict 4 things: abundance, diversity, temperature and salinity. Let's generate a forecast. Here's the chart. Then coming to the AI chat, we can prompt here anything like any species or any query we want to search. So let's search. So it give a complete overview of that, like the mola, their weight, like everything is described here. And then next, here is in normal mode. Then another is research mode. Here we can give any topic, and then it will be go to research part. Then it will be generated document. Then give a link to download that document in PDF format. So let do research. When we click here, it will be wait. Let on the trigger. It is when we trigger generate, it will be trigger a workflow which go and perform a deep research on web and find the best resources on that topic, and give us a PDF with the reference links also. Okay, it perform that. So it give a analysis. Then next is documentation. Here is a complete documentation of APIs with the proper let me show that occurrence details. Here is the complete documentation. Let this is the our API, our backend API. Let's search that species. So it will we can test here, send message. Then it response will be come here. We can test any API like this. So this is a complete app. It will in performing the research part. So this is our complete app.